Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share the secrets of creating the perfect Angoori Rasmalai or simply Rasmalai, a luscious Indian dessert that is so soft and spongy that will melt in your mouth. If you're looking for the perfect spongy Rasgulla or Rasmalai recipe, then this one is just for you. So let's dive into it step by step. I'll be sharing many tips. Make sure to watch the complete video for the perfect recipe as every step is crucial in achieving the delicious results that you're craving for. We'll begin by heating 1 liter of milk in a pan until it comes to a boil. My first tip would be use cow milk for best result. So I'll be using pasteurized cow milk here. Bring it to a boil and turn off the heat. So my second tip would be make sure to cool the milk slightly for about 2 to 3 minutes after turning off the heat. Until it is cooling, we'll prepare a vinegar mixture. For this, take about 2 tablespoons of white synthetic vinegar and 3 to 4 tablespoons of water in a bowl. Now we'll add this vinegar water to our milk. Stir gently until the milk solid separates from the whey. My third tip would be don't use too much vinegar and don't mix this vigorously. That would result in hard rasgulla balls. Now quickly strain the chenna through a cloth. Rinse it with cold water to remove any vinegar flavor, and most importantly, it is done to stop the cooking process. Now we'll squeeze out the water. Do not squeeze too much, 4 to 5 twists would be sufficient. That means it should have some moisture when you start working with it. It will evaporate on its own when you start kneading it. And we'll keep this aside for about 10 minutes. Until then, we'll start making a sugar syrup. In a pan, take 1 cup of sugar, add 5 cups of water and keep this on low heat. Until it is getting heated up, we'll go back to our chenna. Let's knead the chenna to make it smooth and soft. Now we'll transfer the drained chenna to a big plate and knead it well until it becomes smooth and free of lumps. It would take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Once it becomes smooth and cracks free, add a teaspoon of corn flour. This corn flour prevents the balls from breaking apart during the cooking process. We'll mix this well. Our dough is ready. We'll cover this dough with a wet cloth. Now make small bite-sized balls of the chenna dough. Roll the chenna balls between your palms to make the outer surface smooth. These will be your Angoori or grape-sized rasmalai balls. Make sure to cover both the dough and the balls with a wet cloth. So the balls are ready, keep it covered. Now it's time to turn up the heat to its maximum setting and allow the sugar syrup to reach a vigorous boil. Carefully drop our chenna balls one by one into the boiling syrup. It's crucial that the syrup maintain its high heat throughout this process. Cover the pan and let the balls cook undisturbed for the initial 4 minutes. Look at the formation of bubbles. This indicates that the chenna balls are cooking to perfection. Also, you'll notice the chenna balls are doubling in size. Now gently open the lid and roll each ball to ensure even cooking. Recover the pan and let it continue to boil for a bit longer. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and transfer the balls into a bowl of ice cold water. This quick cooling step is essential to halt the cooking process of chenna balls. So the maximum cooking time for the balls is just 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that. Now I'll show you how spongy these rasgullas have turned out. As you can see, after squeezing out all the water, they don't crack and regain their shape when placed back in water. This is the measure of the spongiest rasgullas. At this stage, if you'd like to prepare the rasgullas, create a separate sugar syrup with a 1:2 sugar to water ratio. Squeeze these balls and immerse them in the fresh sugar syrup. That's it, you can achieve perfect rasgullas by following all the tips provided. I'm moving forward with the rasmalai recipe. Next, we'll prepare the rabdi. You have the flexibility to use any milk you prefer, whether it's full fat buffalo milk or cow milk. I'm opting for cow milk. I'm taking half liter of cow milk in a pan, adding around 15 to 20 saffron strands for the touch of color, or you can use food coloring if you prefer. Then I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and a quarter cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here is an important tip: avoid reducing or thickening the milk too much. If it becomes too thick, the rasmalai balls won't absorb the rabdi properly, so we won't thicken it. We'll just let it boil for a couple of minutes to infuse the saffron's color. Afterward, turn off the heat and let it cool down. While it's cooling, we'll chop our dry fruits. I'm using almonds, cashews and pistachio today. We'll chop this coarsely and add it to our rabdi mixture. Take the prepared rasgullas and gently squeeze them to remove the excess water. Place these rasgullas in a bowl and pour the warm rabdi over them. Allow them to soak for at least 4 to 5 hours to absorb all those delicious flavors. During this time, keep them at room temperature. Avoid refrigerating them. After 5 hours, you will notice the saffron had imparted its magical color and the rabdi is absorbed all the way inside. And there you have it, delicious Angoori Rasmalai. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it's not flawless at your first try. Embrace the process and savor the sweet rewards. If you enjoyed this recipe and found the tips helpful, please show your support by clicking the like button, sharing your thoughts or questions in the comment section, and subscribing to my channel for more delightful recipes. For this festival season, do give this recipe a try and enjoy with your family. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.